So basically, when you're on your lock screen on your Galaxy A56, only these two shortcuts, phone and camera, is shown. But what if you want to change, add, remove and customize all these lock screen shortcuts? Maybe you need Samsung Health, Torchlight, some other app, action or tools, or literally none of them. Yes, there is a way that you can do that. But let's go ahead and see how it's done. Before we do that, let's open up settings. Scroll down for lock screen and AOD, and then just make sure touch and hold to edit option is toggled on. Lock your screen, tap on it to lighten up, and then simply press and hold on your lock screen. And the rest of the process is quite easy. Just tap on the left or right shortcut one after another, and from this list, you can select different tools to show up, mix it with different apps in this list, literally any action, app, and tools according to your own personal preference. Whatever you're selected, just press done. And like this way, you can change them frequently anytime you need. Even if you don't want any action to prevent accidental touch, just make sure no apps are selected on both of these shortcuts, that's all. And that combination will set as your lock screen shortcut. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.